Hey loves, so I am super excited about today's video because I will be collaborating with Natara from Natara's Space. I'm going to go ahead and let her introduce herself.
Hey you guys, welcome to Natara's Space. I'm Natara, and over here I like to do cooking, cleaning, organization, and anything that pertains to mom life. So if that's your thing, please consider subscribing to my channel. And also, once you're done watching Ita Ray's channel, I ask that you come over and watch my video as well. And I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. And I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.
Everything's gone. Everything that we could have been. But I know you're my liability.
So I am going to be doing a after dark routine, and then Natara is going to be doing a early morning routine. And as you guys can see, I am in my bedroom and it is a hot mess. I have baskets of clothes everywhere, just stuff is just everywhere. Usually during the week I try to keep up with it, but sometimes it's hard because I'm working and busy. Do you guys see all of this dust up here? You can tell I haven't dusted in over a week. It is disgusting. And I typically make my bed every morning, so my bed is already made, but everything else is a hot mess.
I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and the worn out sneakers. When we were fine but the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirt.
So let's go ahead and get started on this after dark hot mess cleaning video, you guys.
Never said I was ready.
The first thing I'm doing is fold it and put it away clothes. This was the only basket that still needed to be folded. All the other baskets have folded clothes in them, so I am just gonna go ahead, fold them, and put them away.
Been too long. I wish that we could turn back time back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and the worn out sneakers. When we were fine but the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirt. Dirt on my jeans and sing good old snapback, floating through the street like holding your hand tight. Dirt on my jeans and sing good old snapback, floating through the street.
Is anyone else's dresser like the catch-all dresser? Because I have so much stuff up here, you guys, but I try my best not to put anything up there, but as you all can see, I have failed. But I am just going to clean this off with some Method wood polish. I love this stuff, you guys. I've been using this for years. It is my favorite for our furniture. But yeah, I really love this stuff.
We were fine but the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirt.
I am using a water and vinegar mix to clean off the mirror.
Nobody told me.
Earlier this day, I was working on decorating my planner, so I have all of my planner stuff all over my computer desk.
Around, but there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us
I love this desk from IKEA, but oh my god, does it get so dirty and so dusty so fast.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
If you're coming over from Natara's channel, or if you're just new to my channel in general, I would love to introduce myself. My name is Evita and I am a wife and mother. Currently I live in South Carolina. Go ahead and introduce yourself in the comments below and let me know where you're watching from. But I love posting motivational cleaning, decluttering, and organizing videos. I'm going to start also posting recipe videos, so let me know in the comments down below if that's something you'll be interested in. But if you enjoy these types of videos, please consider subscribing because I would love for you all to become part of my YouTube family.
Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
The memory of you just come running back. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. The memory of you just come running back. You just come running back. Memory of you just come running back. Memory of you just come running back. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. The memory of you just come running back. You just come running back. Memory of you just come running back. Memory of you just come running back.
On a run from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
I don't know why I do it, but I always remove everything from like the dressers, the desk, and put it on my bed, and then I just go through everything that is on my bed. This way I can see it all and then get rid of stuff that I'm not using or I'm not going to use.
from a hot California. I forgot how you looked like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the roads and never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. All the memories just lingers on repeat like it is never gonna stop. I can't help myself from feeling all alone, but you got me good, but you got me good. We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth.
If you've made it this far into the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a unicorn emoji in the comments down below.
High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue, leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside.
Well, that is all for this cleaning video. If you guys enjoyed it, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button because I will be posting more videos like this. But please do not forget to go check out Natara's video. Once you do, let her know in the comments down below that you came from my channel. Also, while you're over there, hit that subscribe button. But I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.
Keep on dreaming about us, baby.